For today's video, I will show you how to fix can't reach this page in Windows 10 or 11. To do that, go and click the Start menu and then click on Settings. In the new window, go click the Network and Internet, and in the right side, go click the Status. Then after that, scroll down and find the Network and Sharing Center. And now, click on your Wi-Fi SSID name. You can see your Wi-Fi status, and then click the Properties button. Now double-click the Internet Protocol version for TCP/IP version 4. After that, mark use the following DNS server address. Input in the preferred DNS server the 8888, and in the alternate DNS server 8844. After that, check the validate settings, then click OK upon exit. It will automatically detect the problems. Wait for it to finish detecting, and you're good to go. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.